guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make these super soft brown butter pumpkin chocolate chip cookies, then just keep on watching. So first we're going to take us a bowl with some flour, pumpkin spice, salt and baking soda and mix that up. Then we're going to take us another bowl with our pumpkin puree, sugar, vanilla, eggs, and we're going to pour in our brown butter. And we just brown our butter by putting it on the stove on medium heat for a few minutes. And you want to allow it to cool before you pour it in there. Then just go ahead and mix all of that up. Then we're going to take our dry ingredients and we're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Very easy. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our chocolate. You can use whatever chocolate you want. I like to use semi-sweet and dark chocolate. And then we're going to take this dough and we're going to put it in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes because it's too soft to work with. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, we're going to take us a cookie scoop and we're going to put our cookies onto our pan. And I like to put this back into the freezer for about 10-15 minutes and then into the oven for 13 minutes. Now they're out of the oven, and then I'm just going to add some more chocolate chips on top and then take a cup and kind of spin them in a circle to make them look more presentable. And that's it, you guys. It's very easy. These cookies are so delicious. They are super soft, super soft. You never have to worry about them getting hard or anything like that. The pumpkin puree makes them just very, very soft, you guys. And I like to use dark chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate, so they're not too sweet. You have a good flavor of pumpkin and a good flavor of chocolate combined. With the brown butter, the dark chocolate, the pumpkin. These are so delicious, guys. So I hope you give these a try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.